we are going to create a database manually. Right now here we are having prod database, which is shutdown state. We'll take the relevant file, ManualDbCreation. Here we create relevant directories under U01 mount point. We create a folder called db and for our directory. db is created. This is optional actually. We will create one more folder called diag, which is optional. For diagnostics information. Now we create our db name should be db, so we will create a file called initdb.ora. So parameter file cd oracle home dbs. Here we will create init.ora, a p file for our parameter purposes. Now here we take this as it is. So here what we say, db name is, you can, it should be db. Instance name should be db again, and control files, two control files should be in the same u01 db location. That's right. Default block size is 192. Undo management auto, undo table space this, undo retention period 15 minutes, which is 900 seconds. Compatible 11.2.0 as our version. Memory, we are enabling the automatic memory management, which contains memory max target, memory target parameters, log buffer 100, work area size policy auto, diagnostic dust is the default folder. These are the minimum required. db name and instance name and control files. db name and control files are the only things which are required. All others are optional. If we don't specify, Oracle will take default. These are the things set for our p file. Now if we are using this on Windows environment, we should create a service called db with the command or rdim new db. Now the parameter file is created. Now if it is Windows, we will create a service using our rdim utility, because here Linux we don't need this. Now we will export Oracle SID. This is for Windows, but for our Oracle, db is exported. Now I will connect to it. Actually we should use rl wrap, which will be easier for us. It doesn't matter. We'll start up, we'll bring the database, new database db at no mount stage. So now here we need to create this database creation script for our database with the default parameters like database name, sysuser password manager, system user password manager, log file group 1 this, group 2, group 3 with so and so, and 50 MB size, or be too much, it is I think 20 MB size is max log files, max log members, max log history, max data files, max instances, default 1 instance. Now system table space size auto extend on, or we can say system table space at least 800 MB, because it will take that much space anyhow. 850 MB. see socks data file, and it also should be 850 MB. Auto extend on. Default tablespace users data file is 50 MB is more than enough. Auto extend on. Default temporary tablespace temp file size 50 M. Undo tablespace undo tbs1. This is mentioned in sp file, so that we should use the same. This is the minimum things we need. So it is started. Now we take this complete into a memory. Nothing is there. We will name this file as vicrdb createdb.sql. Insert mode. Here we paste this. Everything came. Now we just save this. Okay, now done. Now what to do? We need to run this script to create the database. File is here, so we will say rl wrap sql, because still Oracle sheet should be db. Yeah, rls will go to the same. So select status from v dollar instance. It is started because it's no mount stage. Now crdb.sql. If everything is okay, it will create the database. The basic database will be created. Once it is created, we will go and create other scripts to create data dictionary views and other things. Now once database is created, now we will go and do for these things. Post scripts. Post script means we will run catalog.sql, catproc.sql. This will create data dictionary. This will create procedures and packages which are required to run the database. Then we will connect as system manager. Then we'll run this to create profiles, default profile and other profiles. So these we put in postscript.sql and execute it at the same database prompt. With this, the database creation will be done. So this is still doing. We'll pause the video for some time. So now database is created. We will go out. We will create postscript.sql. Here we'll mention all these commands, these three. So these things are there. It is saved. Postscript is here. We'll connect to system. Now we'll say it. Now the select status from it came up to open stage. While creation, it came up to open stage. Now postscript.sql. This will create all the required things. It takes some time. We need to exit.